Unidentified body was recovered at LAHORIJAN Quad Junction Wopong Taro village, falling under the jurisdiction of Karagaon Police Patrol Post, Bokajan subdivision on Saturday. In a mysterious circumstance, at around 5:30 p.m., it was reported that an unidentified dead body was lying beside the Quad Junction Road, Wopong Taro village, falling under the jurisdiction of Karagaon Police Patrol Post on Saturday. Police rushed to the spot after the information was received from the villagers. The whereabouts of the deceased is still unknown and the police are yet to identify the victim. The mortal remains of the deceased was later taken to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for postmortem report. ASI Arun Kumar Nath, Karagaon Police Point appeals the citizens of the local area to report immediately if there is any case of a person missing nearby. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbianglong Live.